Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
Disastrous Beauty, and I am coming back with another video. Okay, so this is a top 5 video, and for those of you who have been watching my top 5 videos, I like to do them where I'm in a more comfortable setting. I like to kind of bring you in and make you feel like family. Normally I do these videos on my couch, but it has gotten really late, so I did want to be able to use my lighting a little bit. So I am still sitting on my bed. I am using my vlogging camera, meaning I don't have a mic on, so the audio may sound crappy, but just bear with me, honey. That's just to give you guys a different sort of setting. So today's top 5 is gonna be my top 5 human hair bobs. And I did do a top 5 headband, human hair headband one, but normally when I do my top 5, I do my syntheticals, because you know your girl loves the syntheticals, honey. But I happened to come across my bobs, and I was like just some pictures of them, and I was like, girl, you have to do a top 5 bob. It is summer. Everybody don't like the syntheticals. Some people love the syntheticals. Some people like human hair wigs. Like, you can at least bring it for both, okay? So I have done a top 5 bobs that is synthetic wigs. I'll have a card or something up here if you guys want to check it out. I do have a top 5 playlist as well if you want to check that out as well. And yeah, this hair that I am rocking, I have the video out soon. It's by Beauty Forever, and yeah, they are on this list too. But okay, honey, without further ado, we're gonna get into this video. But before I want to say, if you're not already subscribed, just click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not 1 red cent, honey. Click it. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I am Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. Also, if you like these kind of videos, make sure you like the video, honey. It helps give your girl a little push. And if you don't like these type of videos, dislike it. It also helps give your girl a little push. Just click something, honey, okay? Just click something. So, now, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so let's start with my number 5 bob. So my number 5 bob is by Beauty Forever Hair, and honey, it was kind of hard to kind of put these wigs where in order, because I was like, I really kind of like all of these units, but this unit had to go into the number 5 spot just because it was, I love the unit, but it wasn't like just my favorite bob. It was gorgeous, honey. Don't get it twisted. Definitely a gorgeous bob. Beauty Forever always come through with the come through, and you know your girl loves a good come through, okay? So even though it wasn't, a number 1 bob, it still made it to the top 5, honey. She is a look, she is a vibe, she is all of the things. I really love this bob. It was gorgeous. Child, ask me where she at now. I don't know. She had some family member got her, okay? But I love this unit. It is absolute perfection. And if you're looking for a bob that is also can be a very everyday sort of unit as well, this bob is perfect for that. Like, sometimes you want a bob that's just giving you sophisticated chic, and sometimes you want a bob that you can throw on just your regular everyday, and that's what this bob is giving, okay? It can be both. It can be chic, and it can be sleek, and it can be sophisticated, honey, okay? She can be all the things, and she can be mom. She can be all the things. So that's one of my favorite things about this particular bob. It's a look, it's a vibe. I would definitely recommend it if they still sell it, child, because a bunch of these units are old. But if they still sell it, honey, I would definitely recommend you guys checking out this gorgeous bob from Beauty Forever. Okay, y'all, so my number 4 wig is by Lemire Hair. Is that right? It's by Lemire Hair Mall, or at least that's what they were called back when I did this video, which it was back in, let me see. Child, I don't even know. But I think it's been about a year or over a year when I did this video. But y'all, this unit is so gorgeous. Like, it was one of those wigs that looked good, but it grew on me more later. Like, I liked it initially, but I loved it later. It was just one of those types of wigs, and sometimes, I get those types of wigs, honey. But she photographed perfectly. And I don't remember if I layered her. I want to say that I layered this wig, but I could be wrong, child. I could be wrong. Don't quote me on it. I hadn't rewatched the video, but I remember loving the bang. I love a good bang, especially when it comes to bobs. Like, I feel like a good bang can make a wig. And this is another wig that can also be a great everyday unit as well. And it's just mostly about the length of it. Like, some bobs just look straight and angular, but certain bobs you get, they like, you know, you're able to wear them as an everyday unit. And that's what this wig was giving, honey. That's what she gave me, honey. I don't know about you, but that's what she was giving me. And like I said, she was also just one of those wigs that photographed beautifully. And honey, you know your girl love a good photograph, girl. I love this wig. I think this wig is really, really gorgeous. I would recommend you guys checking them out. I haven't really worked with this company a whole lot. I think I worked with them maybe 2 times or so, but this particular wig was just perfection, honey. She was a gorgeous bob. Yes. Moving right along. Okay, y'all. So my number 3 wig changed the game for me, honey. Okay. Now this wig definitely changed the game, and it changed the game because old girl came styled. I had never gotten a human hair wig that came styled, and this wig did it, honey. It did it. This unit is by White Wigs, and I got on here White Wigs layered bob because old girl came layered. I did not have to do a thing to that wig. Now I'm pretty sure I did some stuff. I'm pretty sure I curled it here and there, but the wig came styled, and it was a game changer for me because I had never gotten a wig that came styled. And when the company reached out to me, they were like, we're gonna send you this wig, and they sent me a picture and they was like, we need you to style it like that. And I was like, honey, I'm nobody's beautician, honey. The same thing I tell you guys, I be telling these companies out here in these streets, honey, I don't play. Okay, I am nobody's beautician. That ain't what she does. And they was like, no worries, girl, we gonna get our beautician to do it. I said, already? Y'all got beauticians? What? Can you send her to my house, girl? Can you send her over here to help me out? But yeah, I love everything about this wig. She woke up like this, okay? Like, old girl woke up bad. She woke up bad, honey. I love this wig. Definitely go and check out that video. That video, I was shocked. I was shocked when I took the wig out. Like, what? This is a thing? Honey, love this unit. Definitely check it out. Now, I will say this. I was wondering if they beautician do everybody's hair or if they just do the hair for the people that are reviewing the wig. I didn't know. I ain't know, honey. I didn't even know that was a thing. So, if you did get this unit, let me know. Let us know down below in the comments if it's really a thing that they really just wake up like that. Like, let me know. Let me know down in the comments because I'm curious, honey. Okay, I need to know. Moving right along. Child, we just running right on through these bobs, ain't we, girl? We just strolling right on through them. Okay, y'all. So my number 2 wig is by Asteria Hair. And you guys know, if you know me, I am an Asteria Hair fan. Like, Asteria Hair does it for me. And I went through a phase where I was getting all the curly bobs in the world, but didn't nobody do it like Asteria Hair did it, honey. Okay, I still wear this wig to this day. I still get compliments on this wig to this day, and I know I reviewed this wig in 2019 because your girl was still living at the apartment. Y'all remember the apartment? We were still living at the apartment when I reviewed this wig. This unit is gorgeous. It is just a curly bob from Asteria Hair, and I don't know if you can just go on their site and just, you know, search curly wigs and just get it in this length. I don't know how that works. Because it's been so long, so I don't know. But honey, if you can get your hands on one of these curly bobs, honey, you will not be disappointed because they're a bob. I'm talking about bob, child. Yes, it's a bob. They're a vibe. Okay, I have one. I think I have like 3 all in different lengths, like from 14 to 10 to 8, and the 8 one is like a pixie one or something like that, child. I could be lying, but somewhere like that. I love their curly short units. They just are just chef's kiss, honey. I love this wig. It is perfection. Definitely cop you one of these wigs. Definitely check it out at the least, honey. Just go look at it. Just go look at it, okay? She's a vibe. She's a vibe. Okay, child. So we are finally at our number 1 unit, honey. And I ain't got no wine because your girl on keto, honey, trying to lose these pounds. But I do have my something I don't know how to pronounce. LaCroix. Child, I don't know, I'm country. I I do have this because I love them, y'all. I love them. They're delicious. So, honey, okay. Number 1 wig. Drum roll, please. That works so much better with wine. Oh, I miss wine. Okay, so my number 1 wig, my number 1 bob human hair wig is by Eon Hair. Okay, y'all, I feel like y'all slept on this one. Y'all slept on Old Girl, but Old Girl was a look. Old Girl is a look to this day. I still have her, and she is still a look. And she's another unit that woke up like this. I got this wig like this, okay? This bob is everything, okay? It's full, it's sleek, it's just all of the things. I love this unit, and this was just one of those wigs that when I would put her on, honey, I would get so many compliments. I would get so many compliments on this unit because she's just gorgeous. Okay, she is just gorgeous. She's a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous bob, honey. Okay, and right now it's the time to wear the bobs. Okay, you want to be sleek and fine and not sweating, says the girl with the long curly hair on. But don't judge me, honey, judge me not. Okay, judge me not. But honey, I love this wig. It is gorgeous. If you don't check out any other wig that I've mentioned on this list, you need to check her out because she is a vibe. Let's see if she's still available. Because most of these wigs, they're a little old. But they should be available, okay? Just, they should be available. And you guys know, if you watch my videos, that I will have the direct link to all of these units listed down below in the description box. And this is the direct link to the review. And in the review, in the description box of each of the videos, is a direct link to the unit. So if it's available, it should take you right to it, girl. But I would definitely recommend you checking out any of these units on this list. Like, all of these wigs are just a bomb. But I would definitely recommend you guys checking out this last one and the one from Mysteria Hair. And the one from Before. Okay, y'all. Just check them out. Check out whichever one you like. Let me know down below which one is your favorite bob. Which one did you like best on me? Which one is more your swag? Let me know down below. Also, let us know what are your top 5 human hair bobs. What companies are they from? Let us know down below. These videos are to help each other. Sometimes it's just easier to go to a video and just see somebody go through a list of things and go in the comments and see what the other subscribers, love. Like, we're a family over here, honey. We work together, okay? We work together. It's hot out here in these streets. Okay, it's hot, and we trying to be fine with a short bob, you know. We trying to have a hot girl summer, okay, honey? Summer ain't over, okay? That's what we trying to do out here in these streets. So help me help you, sis, okay? So comment down below. Let me know what is your favorite bob on me. Let me know what is your favorite bob, human hair bob wig, and from what company. Sound off down below in the comments. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not 1 red cent. And if you're not already following me on all social media platforms, I am Dizastrousbeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm helping me see on Snapchat, and I'm Dizastrousbeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye. Good, did I say on IG and Facebook? If I did, honey, team, my bad. I meant IG and TikTok, not Facebook, girl. My Facebook got hacked. Bye, child.